Hello, dear students. Last class we have studied how to find the electric potential energy. So let's move to the board. So we know that for a system of charge, only potential energy can be traced out or can be found out. Okay. So potential energy of a three charge system, of a three charge system. Just make it broad. Okay. Three charge system. Okay. So three charge system U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught combination, all the combination of Q1, Q2, Q3. So Q1, Q2, R12 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2, Q3 upon R23 plus 1 by 4, sorry, unnoticedly I have written something wrong. Okay, R23 and 1 pi 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 upon R13. So this is called expression of potential energy. Okay, understood? So today we will learn how potential energy is changes or is changed to different form under the experience of an external electric field. So suppose here it is the external electric field. Okay, certain electric field is generated because this big charge make this charge like this. Okay, so under this influence what has happened, look at here. So as we know, we're making a supposition or making an assumption of putting that charge to infinite. Suppose this is the system, smallest system of charge q1 q2 separated by distance r12. When in earlier time, means as like in the last class, when q1 is dragged into a final position, at that time no work is done, and it is quite obvious why, because it is not under the influence of any kind of forces, right? But in the presence of an external electric field, this is external electric field, this charge will experience a force. Okay, that may be attractive or repulsive, and accordingly against the electric field we are doing work, and that is stored as potential energy. And according to the system, the charge is located here, and this point may be of position vector, suppose r1. Okay, if this is the position vector r1, then it has certain potential which is scalar function of position vector r1. We have learned that. Understood? So bringing q1 to here, so what will be the work done? Work done will be q1 into v. Understood? Question 1. Very fine. So again, when the charge is brought under no influence, that means electric field is nothing here, means no external electric field is there. In that case, the work done is 0. But when it is under the influence of an external electric field, then work done is something else, and that is from the potential concept, work done is equal to q1 into v, because v is the potential at that position vector r1. Understood? Okay. When the second charge is coming to occupy the same stance as that of the system which is located at infinite, means the configuration has to be intact, the bending, the same, everything has to be same. So r12 is the distance, then work done and bringing the q2. Okay, so writing, so let's write few things. So work done in bringing Q1 to the position vector R1 is given by, what is that? W is equal to V Q1 V R1, right? Or in the simplified version, Q1 V, okay, W, and that is nothing but potential energy, stored as potential energy. So again, work done in bringing Q2 to the position vector R2 is given by W is equal to Q2V. Okay, Q2V R2 position vector. So W is equal to Q2 into V. Equation number 2. Okay. And this is all because of the external forces. But as like in the last class we have studied that one charge is pushing or pulling the other charge, and because of that another potential energy comes into act, that is the internal potential energy. And in the absence of any charge, Q1 will do zero work, Q1 work done is 0. But in the presence of Q1, Q2 will do certain work, and that is Q2 into V1. V1 because arises because of Q1. Okay. So Q2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, and the distance is R12. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. Oh, this is equation number 3. So total potential energy because of an external field. What is that? That is Q1 into V R1 plus Q2 V R2 position vector plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12, and that is nothing but capital Q. Understand? Understood? Are you understanding? This is the final expression of it. Okay.